Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can set the time to make our laptop or to turn our laptop automatically into sleep. So the first thing we need to do is to go to our Windows search tab, and here we need to type power. And after we do that, we will see here in the settings the edit power plan option and choose the power plan option. So please click on the edit power plan. Once you click on that, you will open this edit plan settings window. So here you can change settings for the plan, and you can choose the sleep and display settings that you want for your computer to use. So when you're on battery, you can turn off the display. You can choose for the time when to turn off the display when you're on battery, and as well as when your charger is plugged in. So in here you can select, or you can click this drop down button, and then you can select whether you want to turn the display off when it's already 2 minutes of inactivity, and you can also have an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So you can select whichever time you want, and you can also have the options for the put the computer to sleep when you're in battery, and when it reaches a certain time of inactivity, then once you set on 15 minutes and it's already 15 minutes of inactivity, then that will automatically put the computer to sleep. So that can also be done here when your charger is plugged in. Just click this drop down button to choose for the time that you want, as well as for this one when the charger is plugged in, you can also choose for the time when to put the computer to sleep. Okay, so once you're done with this one, close this one, and then you're good to go. So just follow the same process, and then you will be able to do that in your own device. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.